new adventures.
This is actually our second time in the Northern Territory. 4 years ago we took our converted Sprinter van up here, and let me tell you, those 40-degree days are so much more comfortable in our Unimog. This will be a multi-part series including the Old Reynolds Track, Litchfield National Park, Dundee Beach, Gun Point, Darwin and the Savannah Way heading east.
Alright everyone, welcome to our first major stop in the NT. We quickly had a look at Keep River yesterday on our trek into towards Katherine. It's actually supposed to be really nice. We didn't take too much time to explore it. Sadly, probably should have, but we'll be back eventually because we're now at Jitterboro National Park. And the problem is that they've closed all their full drive tracks for the season because of fire danger. So we were actually going to do some of the full drive tracks and check out the whole scenery around here, but that's not possible. So we're just going to stick to the main attractions. We're starting with the Gregory Tree, which is where Charles Augustus Gregory's expedition actually wrote an inscription on when they were here, along with a letter of all the information that they found in case they perished on their way back to Brisbane. It's the date of inscription of when they left, and on the other side is October 13th, 1855. So that's the time the expedition was here, and apparently somewhere scribbled on there is also where they hid the letter and all the facts of what they found here. So they made copies of everything in case something happened on their return journey.
We were just for 1 minute on the bitumen and then we took a sidetrack again. It's a bit of a bumpy road in, but it's called the Policeman's Lookout. And this is what you'll get at the end of it. It's actually quite nice. And as you can see, this one's flying the drone.
We are on the Nawilwinwin track, or walk. This is at the Joe Creek rest area. Apparently there's heaps of rock art on the escarpment walls here. And it already looks really cool. There's like cliff escarpments on both sides. Livistonia palms, like on right up to the cliff faces. It's really cool. And Yetta's super motivated to go hiking again.
40 degrees! Yay!
Come on Yetta, you're used to worse. Someone's found her happy spot.
In the shade.
It's actually really nice in the shade.
Yeah.
Compared out in the open sun. This is amazing. All these palms just right next to the cliff face. Let's go see some art, eh?
Yeah.
That's a big one. This whole wall is just covered in art. It's so cool. Alright, so here you can see where this is a completely different ecosystem with ferns and everything that normally wouldn't survive in this dry landscape out here. Because all the sedimentary rock water from the wet season just slowly filters through and keeps like pouring out there. It's not a lot, it's not a stream or anything, but it's enough to support these small communities of ferns and grasses. Whereas if you look down into the valley, all you see are spinifex and hardy gum trees. Whereas here you have the palms and ferns.
the truck and I'll quickly show you our best friend at the moment. This one. 18 degrees. Full blast. We really can't stay away from correlations. Where are you taking us, Patrick?
I don't know, we'll see where this goes.
Maybe that's why it said forward drives only.
Yeah, I now see where the high clearance forward drive sign comes from. And I don't want to be stuck over there trying to turn around, so. Alright, here we are, Victoria River crossing. Pretty cool, eh? I think the tidal part of the river ends back there, so this is where the actual like freshwater flowing river is. And you can see there is the old crossing there, so there's a bit of the bitumen crossing left. This part right here has all been washed away, so here to see if we can find a crocodile. What do you think, Yele?
You're the crocodile. Uh-oh. See if he's gonna fall in the water.
Place your bets now.
It's too easy.
Found a crocodile yet, Yele?
I really hope you guys appreciate us filming from the outside because it's 40 degrees and I keep running ahead and then behind the mark again. So yeah, bit of a workout in the heat. Oh my god, luckily we got aircon cranking.
Makes a big difference.
But I've never found this anywhere.
Alright, we are at the escarpment walk, and I'm a bit of one of those people that loves reading all this kind of stuff. And this is obviously the land of the Nungali Naliwuru people, as well as the Wardaman people, so their boundaries kind of overlapped here along the Victoria River. The crazy thing that I find is they have these ancient stories. Here they call it the rainbow, and it was the serpent, or the rainbow was the water that flooded this whole area. And if you look at, you know, the scientific like dating of what happened here, is that, you know, this was once an ancient sea, and then the water retreated, and then obviously everything was uplifted because the sea retreated, meaning that it was all exposed for erosion now. And these ancient Dreamtime stories, they reflect all of that perfectly. And you have to think, like, this is a process that goes over thousands of years. Like, these stories just get preserved for so long. It's crazy.
Your lips on mine, I love it when we hide in the pale blue sky, floating on cloud nine. Do you feel the winds are turning round? 'Cause what goes up must always come back down. I'll be safe in your arms, like the light in the day.
walk is moving, Patrick.
It's safe.
Yeah, very safe.
This walk is pretty funny because there's a couple of different levels, and each time you get to the top of a level you think, yeah, I'm almost there now, and then you see the next level. How many levels were there? 3 or 4?
4 probably.
So yeah, once you get to this point, you've pretty much done it. The rest of it's pretty flat, but definitely go to the end because you see the other side.
Patrick, where are we now?
We're back in Katherine, anti-civilization.
Yeah, it will probably be a bit different this time because there's no COVID around anymore. Probably a bit more busy as well. But it's off season, so. Alright, first stop are the hot springs because we loved them so much last time we were here.
Now we have to go for another swim. And they're only 32 degrees, so it's more comfortable than being outside in 38 degrees.
Down to earth, it's just as good as up there. Gonna keep you near.
This is amazing. Everyone's chilling down there. And we got the spring, which is out there, all to ourselves. The big pool. Patrick, let's jump in.
Up must always come back down. I'll be safe in your arms, like the light and the day never part. I'm looking down the line, with you by my side I'll be fine. Yeah, I'll be fine. I'll be fine.